Hello friends, welcome back to 𝐿𝐨𝐧 Photography and I am Adi. Actually this video is not about photography or editing tutorial. Instead, in this video we are going to check how can we create a photography logo like this. So now let's roll the intro. We are using picsart to create this logo. So before going to create it, I want to tell one thing, that we have to download an image from Google. So we have to go to Google and type logo of DSLR camera. If you find anything with black background, it will be very much helpful, guys. So you will know why I told that. And nothing much, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified instantly whenever I upload my new video. So let's go to create the photography logo, guys.
So friends, now we have to open picsart here, right? If you open picsart, the interface will be like this, and there will be a plus button on the bottom. We have to click it, and this kind of interface will come. We have to scroll down and there will be color backgrounds. We have to choose black. See, now we'll get the screen like this. The first thing is add our text. At the bottom there will be several options. When we scroll, there will be an option called text. If you click it, it will be like this. So you can write your name. In my case, I'm writing 𝐻𝐸𝐽. So just tick it. It will be saved. If you want to change the font, there will be a pink color arrow button. We have to click it, and there will be fonts. If you want more fonts, you can download it from premium part, but I hope you need to pay it. So there are enough fonts, guys. So I have externally downloaded some fonts. If you want, you can even download an app called Font, so you can change it. Then the second thing is add photography. So again, go to text, add photography. And zoom in. I'm planning to keep photography at by this part. That's why I typed it separately. I recommend you also to do it. See, now it is like this. Then we have to import our logo. That means the DSLR logo we have taken. So there will be add image, and go to downloads, and there will be the DSLR. See, why I asked you to take black background is, when we choose the blend option, we have to choose the blend option, and if we choose screen, it will be blended perfectly, guys. It is okay if it is white also, but the thing is, you should select a plain background. As we can see, the camera is little bit gray, not little bit, it is gray in color. So to make it white, go to adjust and click contrast and make it 100. Then go to brightness and make it 100, so it will be white. And the next thing is add our camera logo on our logo. So I am planning to keep it in between cats and I, and just zoom in, wait guy, and fix it as you want. Now I want it to be like this, and that's all about creating the photography. So now we can see, we can save it, guys. Now we can see how to apply this on a image. For that, import an image. First we can see on picsart, then we can go for Snapseed. Now I have imported one picture, and to apply this logo, scroll down and there will be add photo. Click it, and there will be our logo. Click it and add. See, to make it in the PNG, make it on the PNG form, scroll down and choose the blend option, choose screen. See, now we can blend. It is perfectly blended. So now we can see how to add the logo using Snapseed. So go to Snapseed. I've already imported the pic, and how to add this logo means go to tools, scroll down, there will be double exposure, select it, add image, add a logo. So as we can see it is little bit blurry. To make it clear, choose the second option and choose lighten. I repeat, choose lighten. So it is perfectly blended. Now you can save it wherever you want. And that's all about creating the photography logo and applying it.
Guys, I hope it is crystal clear for you, right, how to create a photography logo. And I wish you to take epic photos and upload it on Instagram with your logo. And when you post pics on Instagram, don't forget to tag me or use my hashtag @RD520. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me guys, the link is in the description. If you feel this video helpful, you like the video, leave your opinion on the comment box and subscribe it guys. I'll be back with a creative video like this. Until that, bye guys.